Alright, how y'all doing? How's everybody this evening? So it's late, but I got some packages today. So I'm gonna go ahead and open all three of these, and then we'll see what's inside the boxes.
Whoa, he's already excited. Yeah, my favorite tacos.
Okay, so you guys, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so in this box, y'all, I got a steering wheel lock plate remover. So because we've had to do this plenty of times, and I've never had one. I always end up having to go get one. So, but we've gone through. We bought two of them. I believe it was at not CarQuest. I can't remember, but they snapped. Literally, this part. No, it was this part. It's snapped in half right here. It's snapped in half. So let's hope this one's much better and holds up. It feels a little bit heavier. The other ones were kind of not super expensive, but let's hope this one hold up. So just in case, get more vehicles and have to replace the ignition. Decided to get that. So that's what I got in that box. Because we had to get one. We had the 1980 Chevy Corvette. I will be bringing that video to the channel, but we had to get one of these, and like I said, we snapped through two of them, and it was kind of a pain changing the ignition on that car, taking everything apart and getting it back together. So I got that because I'm hoping to have some projects coming to the channel soon. I've been checking out some things. I haven't went to see them in person, so when I do, you guys will see. Excuse my glove, it's air coming in. All right, we're gonna open the next box and I'll be back. All right, we're gonna just get into this box.
It's gonna be this one.
I've been needing one of these. I kind of already ripped the box apart right there. So label. So you guys, in this box, I've been needing another one of these. I sold my other one. I auctioned it and it went dirt cheap. I wasn't happy about it, but it's gone. So this is not the exact one that I wanted, but I saw this one and I decided try it out. It's $100 cheaper.
Wow.
Well, actually $200 cheaper than the one that I want, and also need to get one, a much smaller one that's easier. Go up there. But I need to get one that's smaller and obviously much easier and lighter to carry. So got this. I'm gonna charge it up. Definitely need this. I needed the air compressor again, so because I have low tires, and then I had no way to put air in them. And then we had to replace the battery in Explorer because the thing died and was when my husband drove it, kind of left him stranded on the side of the road. Thank goodness for 𝗃𝗃, but this thing probably would have came in handy, even though the battery was dying out and we had to get a new battery. So we'll get this out of the box in a little bit. We got one more big box to open. Alright, you guys, so we got this big box right here that we got to get open. So we'll get this open, and we'll go from there. So this is the big box that we got to get open. I was actually auctioning my boxes and stuff, but we'll see. So yeah, let's get this open and we'll come right back. Okay, you guys, so I got it open and here we are. I bought a creeper. There was one that was like a kid. Let's see how cushy this is. It's not gonna be that comfortable, but I'm gonna also get another one. But there's one I wanted to get. It's got the cushion throughout the whole entire thing. It was like a kit. It came with it's this, some jack stands, and actual hydraulic jack. But I'm gonna get a 3.5 ton jack soon, so won't have to worry about it. Let's see here. Seems like a bobsled. So let's see here. I gotta put the wheels on. So the wheels just screw in here, and like right there, they screw in about right there. So simple and easy. So these are the wheels. Oh wow, so it's like 3 wheels each. That's weird. I thought it would be like 1, 2, 1, 2 right there. So yeah, I'll probably put that together later. I guess there's some hardware. Where's the hardware? Right there. Oh wow, lots of bolts and screws. That should be fun. Might as well just put it together for me. So yeah, so you guys, so that's what I got today in the mail. This, and then, you know, the charger. So I'm gonna get this out of the box and I'll come back. Sorry, I'm kind of turning you guys sideways. So get this out of the box, get it charged up, and I'll come back. I'll show you guys. This is the 950 amp one. It says 950 portable power. And then gold edition, it does have, again, the air compressor right here. So we'll check it out and see how good it is. Alright, so you guys, I got the box open, and this thing is pretty freaking big. My last one was definitely lighter than this one. Oh my god, so this thing is pretty freaking huge. My last one was tall, but not as wide as this one, or as big as and heavy as this one. Another reason I did get this one though is also this has a light on it, and I don't have to worry about it moving. My last one had the turn light, and I would always bump it and it'd be going all over the place. But this is definitely larger and heavier. I was thinking it was gonna be a whole lot lighter than this one. I mean, than my last one, or lighter than it looks. It looked a whole lot smaller. I figured it was gonna be kind of wide. I thought it was gonna be short, but it's definitely bigger than what it looked in the picture. So this thing is not gonna be something you're gonna want to carry around. It's just gonna be something probably that you'll want to have, you know, in your truck. But really, it's not that bad. But I mean, it's pretty bulky, so you probably won't want to carry this thing around with you to places, you know, when you got to jump your car. Like if you're going to, you know, the auction, you're going to walk around, check out a lot of cars, and you might have to jump some of them. Maybe this is not the one you want to carry around with you. Probably want to get something a little bit smaller, but if you don't mind, then it's not a problem. So, and you also got your 12 volt, but this thing is pretty cool because you can charge your phones and your, you know, electronics up and all of that. I gotta sweep this floor. It's got dirt all over the floor down here from people going in and out. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing charged up, and we'll check it out. So it ended up already being charged, so, but I just let it sit here for a little bit. So I'm about to be heading home, so we'll check it out. Let's see. I don't know how to do the light. I don't know. So when you charge it, you just flip this plug down and you plug it in, and then I'm guessing it's the air compressor. My bad. Oh wait a minute, how you do the light? Oh, the light, you just push that button in, and there's the light. Ooh, hope I'm not blinding y'all. So then to start the to jump start it, you know, you just turn that on. Then tell you your battery status and all that. There goes the USB plug and the two 12 volts. So once I actually get to use it, then I'll probably do a review on it to see how well it works. I'm trying to figure out why it looks a little dirty, but hope y'all enjoyed this video. So give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.